Now what you have to do is, since you understood the 4 business model, right, 4 types of business model for 3D rendering and animation, now you have to decide which is the right business model for you. So go back to the video, and if you want to study again, just go and study and find out which is the right business model for you. Okay, what should be your goal and what are the things you will require to achieve that goal. Okay, if say for example you will say that I want to be in micro 3D rendering studio model. Okay, I want to build micro 3D rendering studio, then what are the things you will require. Okay, how many clients you will require, what are the team will require, each team member what will they will do. Just figure it out, okay, as according to your understanding. Okay, I'm not asking that should be the correct one, but just do some homework for it, because see, every success you will only get if you take a one step ahead. Okay, अगर आप कुछ करोगे तो आपको कुछ मिलेगा, आपको अगर आप कुछ करोगे नहीं तो you will not get it. Okay, it's like law of attraction. Whatever you want to achieve, you have to think about it. Okay, you have to work on that aspect. So figure it out which is the right business model for you and by when you would like to be achieve this model. Okay, एक साल में आपको वो लेवल पे पहुंचना है या 2 साल में पहुंचना है. Do that small research, small homework for yourself. Okay, because that's really very important, because that will show your potential that हाँ बाबा मैं इतना कर सकता हूँ, या I can do this, I can do this. So go step by step. Okay, don't just say कि हाँ I want to start large size. लास्ट से ऐसे नहीं होता है. ओके, यू गो स्लोली. सो बी प्रैक्टिकल and just write practical things in your notepad. Okay, so do this important research and I'm sure you people will do that. Yeah, because that's only you will get success. See you tomorrow for another important module, another important topic, which is a day 3. Okay, just stay tuned for day 3. Bye bye.